Game?
Okay, game. Good day, everyone. I'm Sean, also known as Grace.
창이가 좋아하는 랜덤 게임 랜덤 게임 게임 스타트 아파트 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 kissy face sent to your phone but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real red hearts that's what I'm on yeah come give me something I can feel don't you want me like I want you baby
Nagkikita sa mga tao, nangihingi na po kami ng pagkatulong.
tonight go crazy all you gotta do is just meet me at the
Ha? Bakit? Nakabaliktad. Kala ko design. Buong testing yun ah.
아파트 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 아파트
It's whatever, it's whatever.
Marami naglulukbang sa harap ko. May malamig pa naman kaya nga.
It's whatever you like. Turn this pocket into a club. I'm talking drink, dance, smoke, freak, party all night. Come on, come back, girl, what's up? Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the.
Ano ko naman?
Sa'yo na, sasayaw na siya.
Ang galing na anak ko. Yun, yan. Proud ako sa'yo, anak.
Go, Kyle! Dilaan mo kayo, baka maliit ka. Lasing ko na nga. Ina mo nga yan. Ayan na! Uy, ba't naman dalawa?
Ito mo kay Kyle. Yan. Bakit si Kyle sinusuporta mo?
Gawin sa atin lahat. Gulat kayo, no? Kala niyo si Lolo Madrid. Si Kyle Vega from Grace!
The first ever Ginoong Phoenix 2024 goes to Ginoong Phoenix number 3.
Proud mama!
Pampainom ka na!
Message! Hey!
Ginoong Phoenix 2024. Picture po tayo with the judges muna, tsaka si Ginoong Phoenix. Picture po. With the judges and Ginoong Phoenix.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just me.
masasabi mo? Ano message mo? Message lang. Ano, sama naman ang ugali mo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Birthday to you.
Oh, 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 don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy.
I would like to wish you a happy birthday and I miss you more.
Upal Gangnam Style. Ice cream yummy, ice cream good.
Ako lahat ang masama, ikaw ang mabuti, baby.
Mga kababayan,
Ganon pag-unyag.
Ako'y tahimik lang sa umpisa.
oh, sige!
Ilang lamok.
Manila,